He's gonna grab you. Look, he's gonna show you how. Like this. This is how he's gonna go. Watch your feet. That's it. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. He's like, what are you doing to me? Hey, but he had underhooks already. Hey, he had his hands under. You want to do it again? It's easy.
Hey, tell them to put their arms like this. Tell them to do like that.
Now, I want you guys to pay attention because there's going to be guys on the street like this size or bigger.
شما میگن شاید این مثل اشخاص یا این مثل آدم قوی را در سر سرکان ببینید. در سر سرکان ببینید.
Watch what he does to me.
آدم خاطر میگم من امروز شما را نشان میدم که این سه قسم از سلمان برای مکتبان نشان میده که ما با شما یاد بگیریم شما بکنید.
And watch what I try to do to him.
یاد میگم چیزی را که ما مقصد ما میکنیم اینجا. تو شما متوجه
Okay?
بکنید.
Okay. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Shit.